Hi, I'm Lewis Miller of Lewis Miller Design, and I'm so excited to be introducing this partnership between myself and Lauren Santo Domingo and Moda Operandi on an exclusive Beach Bloom Flower Flash box. The past couple of years, more and more people have been interested in floral design and floral arranging, and I'm really excited to bring these boxes so people can have this amazing experience at home. So let's see what's inside. I received this from FedEx. And when you get yours, just like this, I really would like you to open it up and put these in water as quickly as possible. They can stay in the garage or a cool basement for a little while, but because we are in the summer temperatures right now, I really encourage you to, at the very least, get them out of the sun and out of the, off the warm porch. So let's see what we have in here. At this stage in the game, all we're really doing is getting these flowers into water. It's very important that they have a really great long drink. They've been on a long flight, they've been on a plane and a truck, so they are thirsty. They're packed in here very well, and then you're just going to want to cut the tape off and gently remove each bundle. And then just don't unwrap any of them yet, just get them all out of the box. Okay, and the last one is here. So, what do I have? Okay, let's just start with, well, I have the Helleborus here. So this is Helleborus. It's a little thirsty, it's a little limp. It will pick up quickly. Leave the rubber band on, leave the plastic on, do nothing other than cut it about an inch up. See, I cut through the rubber band, that's fine. About an inch up from the bottom and instantly put it in water. These are just buckets with clean water, no additives, no floral food. Any container that holds water, a salad spinner, a pitcher, half of your kitchen sink. The point is just clean, fresh water, not too hot, not too cold, nothing in it. Fresh cut, and in they go to get a long and hearty drink. Next up, I have beautiful Bavardia. And these come with a little flower food kit, so set that off to the side. We'll want to save that. Same thing, you just want to give them a cut. You want to make sure that they're all cut. See, this one up here is like a little Lone Ranger, so I want to make sure he's cut as well. And same thing, directly in the water. Okay. This one has a flower packet too. I'm going to cut this, save this for later, and put it in the water. Next, we're dealing with roses. Same thing, leave them in their wrapper, sharp cut, and in the water they go. And if the rubber bands are too low like this, don't worry about it. You can take them off or cut over them. And then lastly, I have white peonies, everybody's favorite. So peonies, you know, these have a little bruising right here. That's okay. That's part of the thing, and those are the garden petals anyway. So I'm going to open this up and see what we have inside. You know, you can expect to have some damaged or bruised flowers like this one here, not so good. That's par with the course. We as florists are used to getting, 10 to 12% sometimes of damage or loss. That's just how it goes, and we always build that in. Directly in the water so that we can take a nice long drink. Last one, sharp cut, and in the water they go. Okay, most important step, let them drink 3 or 4 hours. If you've watched any of my winter, early spring videos, I say you can let them drink overnight, but because it is summer and the temperatures are hotter, I would stick to 2 to 3 hours. That's enough time for them to get nice and plump with water, and then I'll be back and I'll show you how to clean them.